today I'm here with a keyboard review of the Keychron K2 keyboard. It is why is the RGB on red? I guess this is a good time to show you guys the RGB. It can be changed with this. Okay, there we go. Anyways, this is actually a Bluetooth keyboard. I have it hooked up with Bluetooth right now. I actually tried pairing it with my iPad. All I had to do is go into settings, turn on Bluetooth, and hit FN1 and the plus button. On the website, it says, like, hit FN plus 1. I thought that meant just FN and 1. But I think you have to actually do the plus button as well. And that's to pair it through Bluetooth with anything, I believe. I also paired it with the computer, this very old 2007 iMac on running El Capitan. Anyways, Mac OS El Capitan, or OS X, whatever. El Capitan, I don't know what it's called. Anyways, it's an interesting keyboard. This one has Gateron Reds and ABS plastic keycaps and a plastic frame and RGB. By the way, yeah, you can get it. Oh yeah, there's no dongle. It's only Bluetooth or USB-C to USB cable. USB-C going into the keyboard, USB going into your computer. You can either use it through the cable or Bluetooth. You can change it here. There are switches for like Android or Windows, Bluetooth cable, on, off, whatever. There are switches there for that. It has some RGB effects. Pretty cool. I don't know if it has individual key lighting. I think it actually does. I thought it didn't, but I think it's... let's see. Look at this key, guys. This key seems to be green. Can't tell if that's a shadow from other keys or what. Anyways, you can get it white backlit with a plastic frame. You get it white backlit with a plastic frame and ABS keycaps for $69. RGB with a plastic frame for $79. That's what we have. RGB with an aluminum frame for $89 and RGB with an aluminum frame and PBT keycaps for $99. And I don't mean $99, $99, $69, $99. Literally just the 00. So $69, 00, $79, 00, whatever. It's plug and play. I don't believe there's any software at all that you can use. It's all plug and play. To change the RGB, it's just the lighting button. Yeah, we have Gateron Reds, which are comparable to Cherry Reds. You can also get it with Gateron Blues or Gateron Browns. They're all the same price, all those options. It was given to my mom by a friend. I'm at her, like, business setup right now, kind of. Anyways, it has an inclined frame, as you guys can see, an inclined frame. So it's actually in the back, it's like higher. So it's already almost like there's feet, but there are additional feet on the bottom. All you gotta do is pull up on it and it comes out. I don't think they're like rubber, they feel plastic, like almost like softer plastic. Not really rubber though, I don't think. They just snap back in there pretty simply. It can connect to 3 devices at once. You can switch between them with FN plus, the plus button, I think, FN1, FN and 1 for the first device, FN and 2 for the second, FN and 3 for the third. My dog is being weird. Anyways, I think that, but you also have to press the plus button, I believe. It can connect to phones, tablets, laptops, you know, desktops, anything. It has a bottom row with some of the Mac keys by default, but it comes with some Windows keys in the box, although it is standard layout, so you can put different keycaps on, like HyperX putting keycaps, whatever. It includes a keycap puller. I'll show you guys that stuff in a sec. It runs for 240 hours without backlighting. It charges with the same USB-C to USB cable as the one that you can use to use it wired. It has 84 keys. As you can see, it's like almost like, it's like a compact design. It's like a 10 keyless keyboard almost, but squished almost, kind of. Like, I don't know. Anyways, it's compact, like it's between like a 65 and a 10 keyless, kind of. it's definitely small. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I do recommend it like in that regard. Like every keyboard these days, it has N key rollover and anti-ghosting. I thought you should just avoid using Bluetooth at all costs because more input lag and less accuracy, and it might miss some strokes. It kind of didn't when I connected it to my iPad. I tried it and I just typed a bunch of gibberish. You can see the gibberish here. Anyways. So that's that. And to pair it with the Mac, by the way, this old Mac, I had to basically press those buttons, then it recognized it, then it made me type in a passcode on the keyboard that it showed on screen, and then it connected. Pretty simple. I don't know how it works on Windows and stuff, but yeah. So I'm gonna kind of show you guys the box. This is it. It's so incredibly simple. A sleek, compact, wireless mechanical keyboard. There's so much stuff in this box that's not part of the keyboard that it's hard to, like, you know. Anyways, there's like a bag you can put it in. It comes with this keycap puller. These are the Windows keys. It comes with this, follow the instructions below to replace keycaps. And then this is like a manual right here. If you guys don't know how to use a keycap puller, it's very simple. Well, give me a sec. All you have to do is spread these two things apart, put it under a key, and pull. And you gotta hold it down with something else. So I'm holding it down with my foot. And boom, we have popped off the control key. You can see the Gateron Red there. Let's put it back on. That's it. Just pop it back into place. That is the keyboard. It looks kind of weird with the orange, but it does come with like a gray escape key, or you can make this one orange as well with a key that's included in here. Also ABS plastic, I believe, not PBT, unfortunately. And I believe that's about it for the keyboard. It seems to work okay in Bluetooth. I'm just going to type a bunch of gibberish, and I'll tell you guys, like, if it, like, works well. It's working pretty well. I'm typing really fast. Yeah, it's still registering, to be honest. So I actually think the Bluetooth works okay, but for gaming, maybe steer clear of that. I'm not sure. But yeah, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Would I recommend this keyboard? It's niche. It's Bluetooth and it's niche. It's a niche keyboard. Not many people want to use Bluetooth keyboards, mechanical. If you're on Windows, you don't. You just want to use one with a dongle probably. And if you do, if you're using a wireless mechanical keyboard, you're probably doing so for gaming. So it's a very, very niche product. Like, I don't know where its place in the market is. I guess it can connect to any device, which is sick. It's like to anything, really. Oh my God, my dog just threw up. Shit. That's bad. I'll handle that in a sec. I'll tell my mom, whatever. Anyways, that was the review of the Keychron K2 wireless mechanical keyboard. It's only Bluetooth, keep in mind. There's no dongle, so if you don't like the idea of Bluetooth keyboards, you might think they're bad. They probably can be for some things, and some keyboards, some connections, Bluetooth 5.0, I don't know. I don't know if this is Bluetooth 5.0, by the way. I think it is, though. I'm not sure. You guys look that up. Anyways, guys, actually, I'll put it on screen, what kind of Bluetooth it is. But that was the Geeks FW with a review of the Keychron K2. Do I recommend it at its price point? For gaming, short answer is no. Do I recommend it maybe for Mac? It's the problem is you should use it with a cable. You should generally avoid Bluetooth keyboards. It can work fine sometimes with Bluetooth, but people say a lot of bad things about Bluetooth and keyboards. So I would say, do I recommend this keyboard in general? If you need a keyboard for your phone or your iPad or your tablet, any kind of tablet or phone, sure, get it. And use it with Bluetooth, because you can't plug in USB-C. Although, actually, some phones have USB-C, maybe. Some tablets. If you need a keyboard for something that's not a computer, maybe get it. If you need a keyboard for a computer, I would say probably don't get it. Although it's definitely cheap. But Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was it. Thanks to FTW. And yeah, see you guys.